Is your car key fob not working as reliably as it used to? The most common culprit is a dead or dying battery. Most fobs use a CR2032 or CR2025 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, locate the seam or screw on your fob to open the case. Gently pry it open to avoid damage, especially on newer sealed fobs. Note the battery type and polarity before replacing the old battery with a new one. Ensure the positive side is facing up. CR2032 batteries are up 15% in price from 2023 to 2025. Be sure to properly dispose of the old battery by recycling it. After replacing the battery, your car might not immediately recognize the fob. If this happens, you'll need to resync it. The process varies by car model, so consult your owner's manual for the specific sequence. For range optimization, ensure the fob is within 50 to 100 feet of the car and avoid obstructions, especially metal. In urban areas, 5G networks can cause interference. Some manufacturers, like Toyota and Ford, have released firmware updates to improve signal stability. Keep the batteries fresh to maintain a 30 to 50 meter effective range. If your car is a Tesla, the physical fob is a backup. Use the Tesla app to resync or troubleshoot.